Hi guys, it's me Klim Anwar from Topic Techland. I hope guys you all doing well. Today our topic how to solve the running tool problems and how to fix the error code 0x80072f8f and 0x200 and 0. So it is very easy, very simple. So first of all, to solve the problem, you go on the search bar. Here you search registry editor, open registry editor. So when you open registry editor, here you got the many options like HT classes root, HT current user, HT local machine, and HT users and HT current config. Here you expand HT local machine. So when you expand HT local machine, here you also got the many options like hardware, SAM, security, software and system. Here you expand the software. So when you expand the software, here you got the option of Windows. At the very downside, expand Windows. So when you expand the Windows, it will give you an option current version, expand that. And when you do that, here you just do right click and then click on new and then click key. Here you set the key name auto updates and then simply press enter. So when you do that, here right side, here you go on the right side and here you do right click and new, and here you see this option 32-bit value, click on it, and here you also write auto updates, then simply press enter. So when you do that, you just do double click on it and here you select the value data is 1 and then OK. So when you do that, you simply close your window and then restart your PC to make change in your devices, and after that your issue will be resolved. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you, and if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and be subscribe my YouTube channel for Techland. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye.